he met different lawyers of that area. Lawyer also came to meet him to tell yes what problem is going on. But at the same time, many farmers also came there to see who is our champion, who is our hero, who has come to fight for our rights. So thousands of farmers were there, and they met Mahatma Gandhi. They told Mahatma Gandhi, sir, already we are suffering. And second thing, if we want to file any case, if we want to file means you have to give application in court. Okay, sir, we have this problem with this person. So case is going on, proceeding. Two lawyers are there. They are giving argument in this way. This is called. So the farmers told Mahatma Gandhi, sir, we are poor people. We don't have big fee. These lawyers charge big fee from us. That's why we don't go to the lawyers. Mahatma Gandhi did not like this. So he called the lawyers and he chided them. Chided means scolded them. Scold means rebuke, dantna. So he said, this is shameful. These poor people are already they are exploited by the landlord. Already they are having problem, and you are charging big fee. That's why they do not come to you. They are full of fear, exploited, and you are also exploiting by charging big fee. So shame on you. You should not charge big fee from the farmer. Sometimes this question comes: why did Gandhiji chide the lawyer? Simple answer is Gandhiji chided the lawyer to charge big fee from the poor farmers, because the farmers were not coming to the lawyers in that condition, because they were not having money to pay to the lawyer. That's why Gandhiji scolded the lawyers. Okay. Well, finally Mahatma Gandhi met different people, and really he came to know whatever Shukla has told, this was right. Sharecropping system was going on, but now a change has come in the sharecropping system, because in Germany artificial indigo was developed, means blue color was developed. So now the Britishers were not interested in Indian indigo. They were saying to the farmer, now you should give us in cash. We don't need this indigo. You have to give us cash, then we will make you free from this agreement. Some farmers were ready, but some were not ready because they were not having money. So what the landlords and Britishers were doing, they were beating them, they were exploiting them. That's why some of them have gone to the lawyers. Sir, we are suffering, please have something. Please file a case against the Britishers. But those days, court means again Britishers. Who was taking care of the court? Who was the judge? Again British people. So no result was there. Well, finally Mahatma Gandhi came to know, yes, really the farmers were suffering. And then second problem came because of the invention of the Germany indigo, because now the Britishers were no more interested. Why? Because Indian indigo was taking long time to grow, and it was costly also. Means Britishers were not paying any money, but still now the Britishers were having chance to get cash from the Indians. So why they should take this indigo? And artificial indigo was less time consuming, and second, its quality was also looking very bright. Artificial things are always look more attractive. So this was the thing. So Mahatma Gandhi decided to meet the commissioner of that area to know the real picture. What system was going on, why the farmers were suffering. So when he reached to the commissioner refused by saying, you are an outsider, why are you coming here? Why should I give you the information about the farmer? Why should I tell you how I am dealing with the people? Mahatma Gandhi felt it very badly, because he thought that I am not the outsider, I am an Indian. You are a foreigner, you are a Britisher, so you are an outsider in my country. When he was not, the commissioner was not ready to give any information, then Mahatma Gandhi stayed at one home. He was using that home as the headquarters. He was meeting with the people, he was meeting with the lawyers, and then finally one day he was going to one place, Motihari, because he heard that one farmer was beaten very badly by the landlord. Landlord means the British person. So Mahatma Gandhi thought, okay, let me go there. When he was going, police was there to arrest on the way, and police superintendent said, no, you must quit. You must leave at the present time. Then Mahatma Gandhi said, no, I am not going to quit. I am not going to leave this place till I am not going to solve the problem of the people. Then police superintendent said, okay, he show one order. Okay, this is the order. You have to leave. Mahatma Gandhi humbly, very softly, he took the page, means the notice. He signed, I am going to disobey this order. So this was for the first time Mahatma Gandhi disobey something in a very humble way. And people think that from this incident, shield of disobedient movement were shown. Because here Mahatma Gandhi realized how powerful disobedience is. But disobedience does not mean we are breaking the public property. We are breaking the government property. And he humbly gives humble request, no sir, I am not going to obey this. You can give me punishment. So he was arrested. Why? Because he was not going to follow. Not arrested, but he was given one summon. Summon means summon is a call from the court. Person is called in the court to clarify, to give his argument. So then he was called in the court. So indirectly it was just like arrested. So when Gandhiji was arrested, thousands of people gathered in the court, and even the Britishers were not able to control the farmers. Gandhiji himself had to say, okay, dear people, don't become panic, don't trouble, I am fine, no problem is